If you want to make your PowerPoint presentations look more professional, more creative, and much more unique, one of the easiest things you can do is add new fonts to Microsoft PowerPoint. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add fonts to Microsoft PowerPoint step by step, so you can install a font on your computer and then use it right inside your slides. This is perfect if you want your presentations to stand out with a cleaner style, a bold heading font, or a more polished branded look. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is download the font file you want to use. Fonts usually come in either a TTF file or an OTF file. Once you've downloaded the font, find it in your downloads folder or wherever your browser saved it. You may need to unzip the file first if it came in a compressed folder, and once you can see the actual font file, you're ready for the next step. Now, to install the font on your computer, right-click the font file. From the menu that appears, click Install. On some computers, you may also see an Install for all users option, which can make the font available more widely on your system. If you prefer, you can also double-click the font file and then click the Install button that appears in the font preview window. Either method works, so just use whichever is easiest for you. Once the font is installed, it should now be available to Microsoft PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint and go to the Home tab if you're not already there. In the font section, click the Font drop-down menu. This is where PowerPoint shows all the fonts currently available on your computer. Scroll through the list or start typing the name of your new font if PowerPoint allows it, and then select it. After you choose the font, type some text on your slide and you should see it appear in the new style. You can use it for titles, headings, subtitles, or any other text you want to customize. If you already have text on the slide, simply highlight it and then apply the font from the drop-down. That's all there is to it. Your new font is now ready to use in PowerPoint. If the font doesn't show up right away, try closing and reopening PowerPoint. In some cases, the app needs a quick restart before newly installed fonts appear in the list. Also, make sure the font was installed correctly on your computer and not just downloaded. If you still can't see it, check the font name and confirm that the file was a valid TTF or OTF font. And that's how you add fonts to Microsoft PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. Download the font, install it on your computer, open PowerPoint, and select it from the font menu. It's a quick change, but it can make a huge difference in how your presentations look. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.